Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving straight into the nitty-gritty of how to share UPBASE project updates with stakeholders. This is our full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, log into your UPBASE account. This is where all your project updates and information are stored. It's essential to do this because without access to your UPBASE account, you won't be able to share the necessary updates. Now that we're logged in, navigate to your specific project. You'll find this in the Projects tab on the main dashboard. The reason we do this is to ensure we're sharing updates for the correct project. We certainly don't want to pass the wrong information to stakeholders. Next up, within your project, find the Updates section. This is usually on the right side of your screen. This is where all your project's latest progress and changes are recorded. We focus on this part because it's the hub of all the updates you need to share. Here's where it gets interesting. Now, click on Share Update. A pop-up will appear where you can select your stakeholders. This helps us because it allows us to share the updates directly with specific people who need to be informed. Let me explain why this matters. Stakeholders are the backbone of your project. They need to stay informed about the project's progress, and sharing updates directly ensures they are looped into the project's latest developments. Now, customize your update message. This is optional, but I highly recommend it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE pulls the latest updates, but adding a personal touch to your message can provide context and make the update more understandable for stakeholders. Finally, hit Send. The update will be shared with the stakeholders you've selected. This final step is crucial because it delivers the project update to your stakeholders, keeping them in the loop about the project's progress. And there we have it. That's how you share UPBASE project updates with stakeholders. Remember, keeping stakeholders informed is vital for the smooth running of any project. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.